Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Dad, or we should say Making with Dad. I'm Gage.
And I'm Dad.
Today we are making
Moon sand. We're going to do two different kinds. Cornstarch.
And olive vegetable oil, my kind, flour and baby oil.
Very good.
Now, baby oil smells really good.
Sure does. Smells like a baby.
It smells like more than oil except to a baby.
So yes, cornstarch and vegetable oil, and flour and baby oil. We're doing two different kinds because we've never made this before. We want to see which one we like best.
Yeah.
So we figured we'd do them both together.
Also, we're going to bring my remote control backhoe in here and see if it can pick up the moon sand or no.
See if it's scoopable, huh?
Yeah.
All right, you ready to get started?
Ready? Yeah.
So we've got our containers here, and we picked these containers because they have lids.
So we can store them.
If you store your moon sand in a sealed container, it should last anywhere from 1 to 2 months, depending on your container. So we will give it a shot. Let's do this, buddy.
All right. First, 9 cups of flour
Sorry.
and 1/4 of baby oil.
9 cups of flour. That's a lot. Okay.
Time to get the big boy cut.
While he's scooping out 9 cups, I'm going to scoop out 4 cups of cornstarch. And since
All right, Dad, I need the knife.
Oh, uh-oh.
Dang it. Sorry, guys, we keep making messes.
That's all right. That's what vacuums are for.
No, like, that's what parents are for.
Parents, huh? That's what we have kids for. So since I can't get this big cup in here, I'm going to dump it in this bowl first. So 4 cups of cornstarch.
All right, thin, super thin.
Perfect. That's really good.
That's satisfying.
So that's 1. Make sure you keep count.
1. Two.
2.
4. Make sure to wash your hands after I'm making this.
And before. Not that
Because I
we're-
just made a huge mess near throwing baby oil.
And by the way, all-purpose flour is just fine for this.
Yep.
All right.
5. Also, make sure to go check out Gaming with Gage and Everwonder Tech.
Thanks for the plugs.
Yeah.
Oh man, I'm dirty. How many is it?
This one is 6.
Okay.
That sounds good.
All right, come on, get the rest going. We got a few more.
7, 8, 9.
Okay.
We're just flattening out this. Yep, that's good.
Is that good?
Yeah.
Sure?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
All right.
Flat side. Flat side. No, what I mean is,
Ooh, yeah.
there you go. Perfection.
7. And then, wait, Wait, is it 6? 7?
Now, while he's scooping out these other two, I will let you know, you can put coloring in this.
But it needs to be powder.
Yes, you should put powder coloring in it. You can use Kool-Aid. You can use pretty much anything that's got color in it, as long as it's not toxic. And you can also scent it. We didn't scent or color. We just want to see what the texture is going to feel like. Maybe the next batch we'll throw some Kool-Aid or something in it. We just want to see how it is, how it turns out.
All right, this one's 9.
Last one.
That's the longest 9 scoops of flour in my life.
Yeah, that was a lot. All right. Yeah.
Let me just rinse my hands off.
We aren't rinsing off nothing. Let's do this video. We're men, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Also, we're gonna show you my dad's girlfriend in one of cooking of dad videos.
Someday when she wants to be on camera.
Yeah.
All right. So you
Can I have the
need.
paper towels, please? Because I made a big mess.
We'll clean that all up after the video. So what do you need now?
I just dumped in my eyeball.
No. There you go. All right.
Thanks.
So what's next?
Next up, 1 4 cups of baby oil.
Grab your cup. That's a lot of baby oil.
Oh wait, what's this for then?
That's cool. 1 1/4 cups. That's 1 cup. That's 1/4 cup. So you fill both those up.
Alright, let's pour this in one first. Let's pour this one in first.
You want to do it over the?
Oop. One sec.
Okay, would you like some help?
Yes.
Yes.
Actually, no, I didn't do it.
No. Okay. Give it a squeeze. There you go.
That's good, right?
A little tiny bit more. Okay. Perfect. So there's 1/4 cup.
Oop.
And some on the table. And just squeeze the crap out of that. Did you just fart?
No, it's the baby oil.
Sure.
Look. It's the baby oil. Stop making fart noises.
All right, while he's filling up that 1 cup of baby oil, I'm going to fill up 3/4 cup of vegetable oil. You can use canola oil also.
Hey, Dad, is this good enough or a little bit more?
Just do it till it's full. Oh, that's good. That's definitely good. All over the table.
Make sure you have have paper towels after this prepared.
All right. Now you just mix it. You ready?
Ready?
Mix her up. Wait, hold on. You know what? Let me wipe some of that baby oil off.
We need this too.
Yeah, I'll get that with a vacuum. There we go. All right. Have fun. You got your sleeves rolled up? All right, you're good to go. Let's do it.
3, 2, 1. Whoa, that feels so weird.
It does, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Mix it up good. Now, it's probably going to be a little on the clumpy side. That's fine. It still mashes together pretty good.
Ah,
And just think, guys, you make this for your little ones, you can actually tell them it came from the moon.
yep.
You believed that when you were little, didn't you?
Yeah.
All right. Keep mixing it up. How's yours coming along?
It turns out like oobleck.
Yeah?
It turned out like oobleck.
What is oobleck?
Oobleck is like a hard pounded thing. It's like cornstarch and water mostly.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Keep mixing. That'll come off your hands. Maybe we should make some oobleck sometime.
Yeah.
You want to?
I think I need more baby oil.
No, you don't. You have plenty. Look. I thought I did too, but look, check that
Really look.
out. Keep mixing. Mix it good. You got this. Let's see, dig your fingers in. Shake it up good. Maybe I should have had you mix this and I mix that.
Yeah.
You getting it?
Kind of.
Keep mixing. That'll come off your hands, I promise you. Look, see? Look at mine. I had it all over my hands. And because I've mixed it all together, it's coming off now.
It's like kneading dough.
Pretty much. Watch, I'll knock the baby oil over.
I'm just putting some flour into it. I need baby oil.
Well, here, let me help you out. Keep doing it. Just mix the crap out of it. See what I'm doing?
Yeah.
Mix like a blender. So look at all the dry stuff there in that corner. See all this wet stuff over here?
Yeah.
You mix it together.
We're like a blender.
Yep.
It looks like moon rocks.
Takes a little bit of work, but once you get it mixed, it should be some fun. Let me see real quick. Drag this stuff over here. Watch out, buddy. Watch your hands just for 1 second.
I need to rinse my hands off.
We will in a second. Hold on. We're men, remember? Brr, we can be dirty. Really? You want me to get all over you? All right. Look, see how it's mixed now, just about. See this corner here?
Yep.
And this little groove here?
Yep.
Gotta get that out because there's gonna be powder in it, or flour in it. I wonder if we could do baby powder.
I don't know.
We should try one with baby powder and baby oil. And we can call it baby powder. Baby sand, sorry. Baby sand. Alright, I think it's good. Look. Check that out.
Look at the consistency.
Yeah, the consistency is pretty cool. Alright, so I'll play with mine for a minute, and then we'll switch, and you can tell me which one you like better. I'll tell you which one I like better. What do you think?
Yeah.
Alright, you gonna build something?
Let's mash this up first.
So here's a ball. Let's see, does it stick good?
It's the consistency as oobleck.
Yeah. I'm thinking I'm liking the flour a little bit better so far. This cornstarch, I don't know. There's a hair in there. Did you get hair in my cornstarch?
No.
How could there be a hair in there when I just opened
Oh,
it?
probably your hair.
Maybe. I don't know, buddy. I don't think I like the cornstarch. It doesn't really.
See, look.
It just falls apart. What? Can you make a house or something with it?
Look, consistency of this. Compare it to the cornstarch.
Hold on. I want to try something real quick.
Compare it to the cornstarch. Look.
I'm gonna trade you here in 1 second. Let's see if I can get this out of here.
Whoa, it's like an igloo.
It's like a half a world. Oh, it crumbled. All right, you want to try mine? I'll try yours.
1 sec.
What are you doing?
Making it the same consistency.
It is the same consistency. Here, try mine. Let me roll your sleeves up. What was that? Gooey stuff. Oh, it's on the lid there. You're gonna have to lid that little edge of. Here, you try mine. I'll try yours now. See if you can make it out of it.
Dad, do you know what you just made?
What?
Snow. You made toy snow.
Toy snow?
Yeah, this is exactly what they put in the snow thingy.
I would say that it, as far as
See, look.
hey,
What?
I would say as far as like how durable it is, it's about the same. But consistently, this is much smoother.
Look.
Much more smooth. What? Shh! I got shushed. Which one do you like playing with better?
I like this and that.
Well, which one if you had to pick? Because we got to tell the audience which one we like better.
I pretty much like that one better.
Yeah. I will tell you this. The flour is cheaper. This flour is a lot cheaper.
And this one you can make homemade snow out of this.
Flour is a lot cheaper than cornstarch. So, you know, the state of the world right now, if you're bored, your kids are bored, have some fun with some moon sand.
Or homemade snow my dad just made.
I guess it's homemade snow and not cornstarch moon sand. All right, everybody. We hope you enjoyed the video.
Make sure to like and subscribe, comment, share.
Definitely.
Hit the notification bell.
Hit the notification bell. He's so into it and having fun, he's not even looking at the camera. If you found it educational, if you have any questions,
Put it in the comments down
put it
below.
in the comments below. And again, thank you for watching. You guys have a good night. Take care.